नमस्ते बिटिया। हमेशा खुश रहो। Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are going to continue our last session, drug dependence and abuse. In previous session, we studied about different types of dependence WHO has given. Today, we are going to start with body packer or surgical mule syndrome. Basically, body packer or surgical mule syndrome is related to the people who smuggles the drug. Okay, they carry illegal drugs from one place to another place. So illegal drugs such as cocaine, heroin, amphetamine, and cannabis are compressed into cylinders of about 25 by 12 size, heat sealed in plastic film, and wrapped again in multiple layers of latex made of rubbers or latex products and swallowed. Okay, so drugs which are not allowed to carry or which are not allowed to sell by law enforcement agencies, these type of drugs are compressed into cylinder of about 25 by 12 size, and then it is heat sealed in plastic film and wrapped again in multiple layers of latex, and it is swallowed by the carriers so that it cannot be traced. Such illegal drugs are cocaine, heroin, amphetamine, cannabis, LSD. So one packet may contain 3 to 7 grams of the narcotic, and after swallowing the drug or after swallowing the container or packet, drugs such as loperamide or diphenoxylate hydrochloride are taken with atropine, as these drugs decreases the gut motility, and with the and when the gut motility is decreased, then it is possible to carry it for a long distance, and it prevents the passage of the package on a long distance flight before the end of journey. This is done for the purpose of smuggling and the termed as body packing. And on arrival at the destination, the carrier who was carrying the drug in his stomach, in his GIT tract, takes a laxative, and after taking the laxative, the packets are passed with stool, and these packets are retrieved from it, and they passes them these packets to the pushers who distributes the drug. But the complications are also there, as the packet may cause bowel obstruction, secondary to torsion, or it may cause interception or impaction. And even sometimes the packet, although was packed very carefully with heat sealing and covering it with latex, but it may leak into a small intestine, especially cocaine filled container, allowing massive absorption of the drug, and this massive absorption may cause heavy toxicity resulting into the death of the courier. Even if there is no leakage or there is no rupture of the container, the drug may passively diffuse from the stomach into the surrounding organ, including the lower lobe of left lungs, left lobe of liver and heart, and appear in the circulation and urine. Body stuffer syndrome. Sometimes the person who is carrying illegal drug for smuggling purpose or for personal use purpose, when he is caught by law enforcement agencies or authorities, he swallows that drug to hide the evidence. This is termed as body stuffer. The drug may be concealed in the ear, mouth, nose, vagina, or rectum. As these drugs were not intended to pushed into the body swallowed, so they may not be wrapped properly and they may leak in the body and get absorbed and can come into circulation, resulting in signs and symptoms within a couple of hours. Most packets are seen on X-ray and all are seen with CT scanning or barium contrast studies. In the case of leakage or rupture of packet container into the stomach or absorption of the drug, the treatment is diazepam until the patient becomes calm. Glucose, thiamine, and multivitamin is given. Fluid electrolyte balance is to be done, and oxygen should be provided. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.